Hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Please subscribe and like our channel if you want to see everything new from us. Now, we have an important, very important, okay, and it's like a warning to every astrophotographer, okay. They always tell you don't watch the sun directly using a telescope, through a telescope, okay. Now, the issue is that, we usually use those filters and we install them in front of your telescope. I know this is bigger, don't worry, okay, just like this is what I have, but I wanted to lift things, okay, so it's hold things because it's heavy, so they get things which are lighter. So just understand that you usually get the telescope and install the filter. This is an astrosolar film, baader astrosolar film. You install it like this, okay, and just in order to see the sunspots, okay, and this is the proper way, the healthier way, okay, doesn't hurt your eyes. So what I wanted to do is move the astrosolar film from here to here, okay, by installing the film on one of the filters like those, okay. And by the way, you got those filters. If you see them in the market, don't buy them, okay. If you want to buy them just for you, just to make it like a way in order to remove the glass inside it, you can use it as a normal color, but don't use it for the sun, okay. That's the whole idea. You can remove and uninstall the glass. There's here little those little small trenches, okay, where you can unscrew the ring that presses on the glass, okay. So the colored glass. So now what we wanted to do is move this color filter, which is usually installed like on this eyepiece, okay, or any eyepiece generally. And this is a 1.25 inch filter, okay, and the eyepiece is also 1.25 diameter. Then maybe you can like use it on the telescope like this, okay, and start watching the stars. Okay, any colored filter. I'm not talking about this, just only this color filter. But because these are, if you want to buy them, it's better because this is the only proper way to use them, okay, and the most proper way, okay. But it's still dangerous, okay. So and this is what I wanted to tell you, that is dangerous. Don't use the filters, okay, as such, like I told you. Okay, I mean, don't use them as astrosolar filters, okay. So and also, if you want, what the plan was to make a color switcher, okay. The filters here, those solar filters, some come like gives you in a way the sun in orange color and the other one in white color. Okay, the whole disk of the sun will look like an orange, once in orange, once in white, okay. There are two different types of this, okay. Now I wanted to do something like a switch between the two colors while I'm making a video, okay, similar to this, okay. I have this as a slider, so I said like, why not, okay. Let's see. So I had a piece of the astrosolar film from the past, and this is what happened. Okay, see? This is not me who did it, okay? This is the sun did it with its focusing on the telescope. This puncturing could have killed my eyes, okay? And this is the filter, okay? The sun filter. I have another piece of it, okay? So I also added like a transparency in order, like, just to protect it from me poking it, puncturing it, okay. So yeah, I wouldn't be puncturing it, okay. So this is what happened, okay. Let me tell you something. Like, the way I tested it, I just put the telescope away a little bit from my eyes, because I know the telescope would focus, like especially the refractor telescopes would focus on the eyepiece. And this has a 20mm eyepiece, okay. So I was lucky, okay, 2 centimeters, so I had to put it very far from me. But on the first second, you will see the sun, okay, this is for sure. If you put it like on a, but this is the way I'm stopping, because I want to tell you that I was holding it using my own hands. Yes, you can see the very first time, okay, but not, you can't see the details. Just I was able to see just this I was not able to take a picture of, okay. So and thank God I did not put my telephone. It would have hurt the telephone itself also. Like you will be losing the lens. Of course, the CMOS of your mobile phone won't be hurt. It's metallic, but the lens itself that focuses the image will be gone. Okay, will melt away. Okay, will be dissolving. Okay. So. So when I used my own AstroMaster 130 EQ telescope, which has a f ratio 5, a 5. It's not easy, okay? Very inclined, where the light is like focused very fast, okay? So yeah, this is what happened when I put this, okay? And I used this eyepiece, okay? And then suddenly I was looking like this. Because I was like testing it, I just don't want to hurt my eyes, so I was looking at the telescope like this, okay? So just to get a glimpse of whether I can see the sun or not, okay? And then suddenly I was able to see the very first time, and then the sun like, okay, suddenly appeared with its full brightness, okay? Then I knew that there is something wrong. So later when I pulled out the eyepiece, I saw this. Okay, so understand, okay, please, it's very, very important to take care, okay? That's why they don't put the astrosolar on the focal plane of the of your telescope, okay? The telescope focuses on the eyepiece at the focal plane of the telescope, okay? So this is where the image gets focused, okay? And the eyepiece, all what the eyepiece does, and I know that, but I just wanted to see whether I can put it on the eyepiece without hurting the astrosolar film or anyway, okay, and to make it easy for me to switch between colors over here, okay. Don't do that, okay. So you got the idea. The image will be focused at the eyepiece side, okay, wherever it is, whether it's a refractor or a mirror-based telescope, okay. I know you might some say like, was I dumb? Was I courageous? I don't know. You just say, okay? You give your opinion on that. I just wanted to know, okay? That's like, yeah, I was courageous a little bit. I think myself, I was courageous, okay? Because I wanted to know, okay? There's no other way, okay? If I want to just look at the designs and things like that, then things will focus. Okay, understood. But what's the proof? So this is the proof, okay? So because you might maybe the eyepiece maybe okay, this is what I was betting on, that the image will not be going on the, I'm not going to say focus, but like it will stay somewhere away from the focus of the primary mirror, okay, or the objective mirror, okay, objective lens, I mean, of the refractor telescope. So yeah, okay. So don't do it. Now, the next thing I'm planning is just I'm still want to make a switcher or a slider between both colors, okay? Because it's very sweet to see the telescope while see the sun, I mean, while swapping between orange and white colors, okay? You know, the disk of the sun will appear in the astrosolar film either in white or in orange. So this is what I want to plan to do, make a hole from outside, from the mouth of the telescope, okay, I mean from here, just to make it more graphic, okay, so from this side, okay, in a way to make the switch, okay. This is what I want to do later on, okay. I will have to buy the some little box, some way to make a slider. Yeah, it will work, inshallah, okay, God's willing. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and take care. Always take care. Okay, beware. Bye.